Good morning, students. Now, today we'll learn our next chapter of comprehension section of grammar class 3, that is chapter number 5, talking puppets. Do you know what puppets are? Ask your parents if they remember the television advertisement for Lichit Papad. The funny bunny in the advertisement is a puppet. It was created by Ramdas Pandey. He and his son Satyajit Pandey are ventriloquists and puppet makers. They live in Mumbai. A ventriloquist is a person who can make their voice appear to come from a puppet or a doll. नाउ क्या है, आपने कभी पपेट देखा है? अगर नहीं देखा तो यू कैन आस्क योर पेरेंट्स और यू कैन सर्च ऑन गूगल. ओके, सो मैनी पपेट्स यू कैन फाइंड दिस और यू कैन सी देयर. सी, जो लिज्जत पापड़ का जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता था उसमें फ़नी बनी था एक. सो वो किसने बनाया था? रामदास पांडे. वो और उसका सन, he and his son Satyajit Pandey are ventriloquist. Ventriloquist means क्या है? A person जो can make their voice appear to come from a puppet or a doll. वो इस तरह से अपनी आवाज़ निकालता है तो हमें ऐसा लगता है जैसे puppet या doll बोल रही है. ठीक है. Ramdas Pandey's father Shri Yashwant Keshav Pandey. Ramdas Pandey's father, Shri Yashwant Keshav Pandey, introduced his son to the magical world of puppets. जो रामदास पादे के फादर थे श्री यशवंत केशव पादे, उन्होंने अपने सन को पपेट्स का ये जो मैजिकल वर्ल्ड है उससे इंट्रोड्यूस उन्होंने सिखाया था. Once when Ramdas was 8 years old, he tried to talk to a puppet which his father used for his shows. When the puppet didn't talk, he asked his father about it. His father told him that he would have to learn how to make puppets talk. So Ramdas began learning from his father. He trained for 9 years before he did his first show. Till now, he has given more than 9,700 shows all over the world. In 1968, when Ramdas Pandey was 23 years old, he performed in Delhi before Mrs. Indira Gandhi was the first Prime Minister of India. She liked his show very much. She advised him to make puppets that looked Indian and spoke Indian languages. Today, Ramdas Pandey has more than 2,000 puppets, all created by him. See, जो रामदास पादे के फादर है श्री यशवंत केशव पादे, उन्होंने अपने सन को, with his son रामदास, उनको सिखाया था. तो जब रामदास 8 साल के थे, 8 years old, when he was 8 years old, तो वो फादर को पूछने लगे कि भाई ये पपेट क्यों नहीं टॉकिंग कर रहा. तो उनके फादर ने क्या बोला कि उसके लिए आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. सो आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग उन्होंने अपने शोज स्टार्ट किए. सो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड उन्होंने 9,700 शोज़ किए अब तक. और जब 1968 में when रामदास पांडे was 23 years old थे तो उन्होंने मिसेस इंदिरा गांधी के सामने शो किया था. तो शी लाइक टू मच. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने क्या एडवाइस दी कि आप इंडियन लुक वाले पपेट्स बनाओ. सो नाउ टुडेज रामदास पांडे हैज़ 2,000 puppets. Ramdas Pandey uses puppets to teach children and grow up some important things. His puppets talk about how humans are harming environment. They also teach us about cleanliness and the importance of education. He regularly visits hospitals with his puppets to cheer up patients who are ill. Ramdas Pade is the first Indian ventriloquist to appear on international television. He has done shows on national television since 1972. He and his son Satyajit also teach ventriloquism and puppetry so that the art can live for generations. जी जो रामदास पादे है वो अपने पपेट्स को बच्चों को टीच करने के लिए भी यूज़ करते और कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए भी यूज़ करते, जैसे क्लीनलीनेस, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन भी सिखाते। समटाइम्स जो हॉस्पिटल में भी वो जाते, जो पेशेंट इल है उनको चीयर अप करते, उनको कि रामदास पादे इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन वेंट्रिलोक्विस्ट जो इंटरनेशनल टेलीविज़न पे आए, ओके, और 1972 से वो ये शो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। और उनका जो सन है सत्यजीत ऑल्सो टीच वेंट्रिलोक्विज्म एंड पपेट्री सो आर्ट कैन लिव फॉर जनरेशन। नाउ आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। सो we'll discuss only who is ventriloquist. Okay? A ventriloquist is a person who can make their voice appear to come from a puppet or a doll. How many shows has Ramdas Pade given till now? 9,700. And how many doll he has? 2,000. Okay. What did Mrs. Indira Gandhi advise Ramdas Pade to do? What she spoke? She gave advice that make puppets which look like Indian and spoke Indian languages. Why does Ramdas Pade visit hospitals? To cheer up the patient who are ill. Okay, match the professions to the correct descriptions. Accountant, chef, programmer, optician and tailor. Now who is accountant? One who takes the maintenance, books and register of business. Okay, जो maintenance of book का register देखता है, that is he is accountant, he or she. Chef. Now who is chef? One who cooks and is in charge of kitchen in a hotel or restaurant. Programmer, one who writes codes and makes software for computers. Optician, one who makes and sells eyeglasses and contact lenses. Tailor, one who measures skirts and repairs and stitches clothes.